In this video, I'm sharing with you a two-tiered birthday cake decorated with a variety of buttercream flowers, dragées, and a sugar cookie cake topper. Hi, it's Lorelei. Welcome back to my channel, and if it's your first time, welcome to Wedding Cakes for You Cake Tutorials. If you want to build your skills and confidence to create beautiful cakes and memories, subscribe and ring the bell. Start by making a variety of buttercream flowers in advance. You can pipe them onto wax paper and freeze them. This is my Italian meringue buttercream recipe. You can use your favorite buttercream, or you can also go to my website and get a copy of my top 5 buttercream recipes. The link is below for you underneath the video. You can stripe a bag with another buttercream color to give your flowers interest. In this case, the stripe coordinates on the wider end of the 125 petal tip. The link to a playlist of my best buttercream flower tutorials is at the end of this video and also in the description box below, including the leaves. To get started in visualizing the design, you can make a base of ruffles or leaves. A garland effect is what I was going for here. I wanted to have the bulk of the flowers cascading down the right side and a small grouping of flowers on the left. A border of ruffles was perfect for this cake. This is a number 104. You can make stems with a paper piping cone and a small hole cut at the tip, or just use a number 1 Wilton tip. This border is made with a large leaf tip. It's a beautiful finish for your cake, and I will put the number of the tip below the video for you. Save the best for last and place your frozen buttercream flowers onto the soft buttercream base that you just created. You can always change your mind with the frozen flowers. You have at least a few minutes before the flowers start to get soft again. You can also fill in with freshly piped buttercream leaves. Cookie cake toppers are fun, easy, and add so much to a cake. Plus they taste amazing. This is my lavender shortbread recipe, and I'll put the link below for you. The lemon royal icing tops off this bird. I didn't catch the video of the blue bird, the one that I used on this cake, but there is a recipe on Wedding Cakes For You for royal icing and some cookie videos as well. If you would like to see a new tutorial on how to use royal icing for cookies, let me know in the comments below. To add more color and interesting textures, you can use candies and sprinkles, and you can even toss some tiny sprinkles at random. My favorite way to decorate. Join me at Wedding Cakes For You Facebook, Lorelei_Carvey in Instagram, and right here on YouTube. Check out these videos next. Happy baking and happy cake decorating!